Hi everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. It's another BMX type video, or Ford video. Someone hit the wing mirror of the car. As a result, it smashed all that side panel. So we removed that, temporarily pushed that together. I've now got a replacement part. So thought I'd show you how to do the swap over. So this model here has got the electric wing mirrors. So you'll need to open the car, and you also need to open the door, because otherwise after a period of time the wing mirrors will go back in by themselves. Next stage, you need to then tilt the mirror facing down. What I've managed to do is do the first clip into this corner, and then managed to get the second one. And so you can see second pair of hands just levering the top cover away. Now what we need to do is turn this mirror so it then faces inwards, so it'll be rotated that way, which will then give us a gap into this top corner. So I'll just do that now. So having rotated the mirror the opposite direction, you then need to get into the top piece there, and you need to use thinner screwdriver or something like a putty knife. Pop the clips so you can see 1, 2, 3, and they were present within there, and that releases the bulb. Then you got the fitting there, and all that does goes in and it lines up with the casing. And there's this opening here which accommodates that clip. And you also got to get this side piece in first. Should have done that first. So there we are. There we are. That's in. And then pop the housing back on. So you got your clips in there which will fit there, so you can see that that's been broken on impact, but it will still hold. One has just gone in, just popped, and that's just clicked in as well, so that's gone in, and that looks pretty good. Just obviously make sure your mirror is in back aligned.
The light's working.
And so because it's the electric one, it's worth making sure that it then closes. Helps if you press the right button. And we'll just check the light as well. Okay, so that's how to replace your side indicator unit. Quite straightforward, but it is very fiddly and two-person job if you can do. If you've got any questions, then obviously please send them over to me, doing my best to answer them for you. If you like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on future videos, which generally the videos are a bit quieter than this one. So until next time, bye for now.